This is our specialized warehouse dedicated exclusively to purple copper bars, bus bars, square bars, and tubes, located in Zhejiang. Unlike comprehensive warehouses, this is a large-scale single-category facility focused only on pure copper products. Here we maintain virtually every standard size and specification of T2/TU2 purple copper bars, bus bars, square material, and tubes that exist in the market. Over 1,000 tons of inventory is permanently kept in stock, covering diameters from 3 millimeters up to 400 millimeters for round bars, and thicknesses from 2 millimeters to 200 millimeters for bus bars. Multiple high-precision automatic cutting lines are installed on site, capable of cutting any length according to customer requirements with same-day completion. This setup allows us to guarantee confirmed orders can be processed and shipped within 24 hours, even for non-standard lengths. When specific sizes are temporarily out of stock, we immediately trigger direct factory replenishment through internal OA system to minimize lead time. Right in front of us now are bundles of purple copper round bars on the left, and various thicknesses of copper bus bars neatly arranged on the right.